Hey, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. Now, in today's video, I'll be walking you guys through this reggaeton drum kit. It's a crazy drum kit. It's a crazy package, guys. There's midis in here, there's kicks, there's hi-hats, there's cymbals, there's bass, there's 808s, there's percussion, there's shakers, there's snares, and there's timpale. So this is not a long video. I just want to show you the drum kit, So before we actually go further, if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And you can also give me a like, if you don't like my stuff, you can go ahead and just give me a dislike. But hopefully you give me a like, bro. So without no further ado, let's jump straight into this. So I already got contact loaded up. So to demonstrate the midis, I'll be using the Major Static warm keys. Major Static, he's a friend of mine, so you can just go to his channel, check out his stuff, and you can get a link on how to download some of this amazing stuff that he has. So without no further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the first MIDI, which is 95 BPM. So the MIDI's already loaded up, so all I gotta do maybe is just change here to 95 BPM. I'm gonna go ahead and play that for you. Second MIDI, which is 102 BPM. The third, 100 BPM. The other 102 BPM. Let me just change this to 102 BPM. Alright, that's it. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna play you all the drums. But first I'm gonna start with the 808, then I'm gonna go to the drums. So I'm gonna start with the first 808. Set, cymbals. Hi-hats. Kicks. Timpale. All right, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna try and make a simple drum pattern just to show you what you can actually do with this MIDI. So, wondering what MIDI I'm gonna use right now. So let me see. So sounds good. So let's load up a snare. Kick. So let's try and make a simple drum pattern. Let's give it a swing. 10. Let's put in some. Okay. Let's go. Alright guys, this is not a beat making tutorial. I just wanted to show you what you can actually do with the drums. So yeah man, so it's crazy bro, you know, this is some crazy shit to be honest. So without no further ado, I'm gonna let you go ahead and play around with this. I don't want to waste your time further. So enjoy this and stay safe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Goodbye.